Hello everyone, I am Dr. Suraiya Shahin and today I am here with very important questions from Lawrence Stone and Tobias Smolt. These are very important questions from your examination point of view in this unit examination. First question we have here: who among the following writer was greatly influenced by Rabelais, Locke, and Cervantes? Your first option is Fielding, second option is Lawrence Stone, third option is Johnson, and fourth option is Smollett. So it was Lawrence Stone who was greatly influenced by Rabelais, Locke, and Cervantes. So the correct answer would be Lawrence Stone. We have the next question here. The famous novel Tristan Shandy was written by Tristan Shandy किसने लिखा? First option is George Eliot, second option is Fielding, third option is Smollett, and fourth option is Lawrence Stone. So the Tristan Shandy was written by Lawrence Stone. So the correct answer would be Lawrence Stone. We have next question here. In how many volumes did Lawrence Stone's Tristan Shandy appear? कितने वॉल्यूम में appear हुआ? Your first option is 7 volumes, second option is 9 volumes, third option is 8 volumes, and fourth option is 2 volumes. So it was 9 volumes. So the correct answer would be 9 volumes. Tristan Shandy appeared in 9 volumes. Next question is Uncle Toby and Corporal Trim are the important characters in Uncle Toby and Corporal Trim जो है वह किसमें main character है? First option is Tristan Shandy, second option is The Experiment of Humphrey Clinker, third option is Adventures of Roderick Random, and fourth option is Adventures of Peregrine Pickle. So the correct answer would be here Tristan Shandy. Here we have characters like Uncle Toby and Corporal Trim. So the correct answer would be Tristan Shandy. Next question here we have: who among the following wrote A Sentimental Journey Through France and Italy? Who among the following wrote A Sentimental Journey Through France and Italy? First option is Tobias Smollett, second option is Lawrence Stone, third option is Clara Reeve, and fourth option is William Godwin. So your correct answer would be here Lawrence Stone. How it is? Because Lawrence Stone wrote A Sentimental Journey Through France and Italy. We have the next question here. What is the exact title of Tristan Shandy? Exact title. Sometimes this type of question is asked in UGC NET examination when we have another title of that work, right? So what is the exact title of Tristan Shandy? First option is The Life and Opinions of Tristan Shandy, Gentleman. Second option is The Life and Opinion of Tristan Shandy. Third option is Tristan Shandy, Gentleman. And fourth option is The Life of Tristan Shandy. So your correct answer would be The Life and Opinion of Tristan Shandy, Gentleman. This is the exact title of Tristan Shandy. So your correct answer would be A here. We have the next question here. Identify the book of Lawrence Stone wherein there is a curious blend of facts and fiction, tragedy and farce, and which is quasi-autobiographical in nature. First option is Journal to Eliza, second option is Tristan Shandy, third option is A Sentimental Journey, fourth option is The Life of Savage. So it's Journal to Eliza, right? So the correct answer would be Journal to Eliza. Next question we have here. Lawrence Stone's A Sentimental Journey is autobiographical. In order to illustrate his sentiments, he refers to the story of First option is Anis and Lavinia. Second option is Anis and Dido. Third option is Anchises and Aphrodite. Fourth option is Aeolus and Odysseus. So your correct answer would be here Anis and Dido. Lawrence Stone's A Sentimental Journey is autobiographical in order to illustrate his sentiments. He refers to the story of Anis and Dido. So your correct answer would be here Anis and Dido. Now coming to the next question. The question is who wrote Roderick Random in 1748? First option is Lawrence Stone. Second option is Henry Fielding. Third option is Tobias Smollett. And fourth option is Richardson. So it's Tobias Smollett who wrote Roderick Random in 1748. So your correct answer would be Tobias Smollett. Next question we have here. With whom Roderick, the hero of Roderick Random, marries after a series of adventures and misadventures? Your first option is here Narissa. Second is Emily. Third is Pamela. And fourth is Tabitha. So your correct answer would be here Narissa. Right, so the correct answer would be Roderick, the hero of Roderick Random, marries. With whom marries? With Narissa marries after a series of adventures and misadventures. So your correct answer would be Narissa. Next question we have, which of the following is a picturesque novel modeled on Gil Blas, which is a picturesque romance by the French writer Lee Says? Your first option is Roderick Random by Smollett. Second option is A Sentimental Journey by Lawrence Stone. Third option is Sir Charles Grandison by Richardson. And fourth option is Jonathan Wild by Henry Fielding. So your correct answer would be here Roderick Random by Smollett. Right, which of the following is a picturesque novel? It's a picturesque novel and modeled on Gil Blas, which is a picturesque romance by the French writer Lee Says. So the correct answer would be Roderick Random by Smollett. Now we have the next question here. Which among the following is the longest novel by Smollett? Which one of the following is the longest novel? First option is Sir Lancelot Grabs. Second option is Peregrine Pickle. Third option is Ferdinand Count Fathom. Fourth option is Humphrey Clinker. So your answer would be Peregrine Pickle. That is the longest novel by Smollett. So your correct answer would be B here. Now next question is, what is the family status of Smollett, Humphrey Clinker and Henry Fielding's Joseph Andrews? What is the family status of Smollett, Humphrey Clinker and Henry Fielding's Joseph Andrews? The first option is servants. Second option is son of a rich man. Third option is antecedent daughters-in-law. Fourth option is none of the above. So their family status is that they are servants. So the correct answer would be servants here. Next question we have here. Which novel of Smollett describes the adventures of a Welsh family through Scotland and England? First option is Humphrey Clinker. Second option is Sir Lancelot Grabs. Third option is Roderick Random. Fourth option is Peregrine Pickle. So your correct answer would be here Humphrey Clinker. This novel of Smollett describes the adventures of a Welsh family through Scotland and England. Next question here we have Tabitha is a character in. First option is Sir Lancelot Grabs. Second option is Humphrey Clinker. Third option is Peregrine Pickle. And fourth option is Ferdinand Count Fathom. So your correct answer would be here Humphrey Clinker, because Tabitha is a character in this work. Next question. So these are the very important questions. Thanks for today.